The 6 built-in scan modes cover most workflows, but if you find yourself reaching for the same combination of status and tender every season, you can package it into a custom scan mode. In this video, we'll walk through the custom mode form so you can see what each field does. Custom modes are managed from Settings. Tap Settings in the top toolbar to open the page. Scroll down through the page to the Scan and Modes section. That's where everything related to scan behavior lives: power levels, side button mapping, and the custom modes manager we want next. Tap Manage Custom Scan Modes to open the list. This is the custom modes list. Each row shows the mode's name and short description, its scanner power level, and 3 controls: up and down arrows to reorder how modes appear in the picker, and an edit button. New modes show up at the bottom. Swipe left on any row to delete it. The toolbar has an Add button up top. Tap it to start a new mode. The first field is the mode name. Keep it short. It has to fit inside the mode picker button. We'll call this one Port Receive. The full description shows in the mode picker pop-up underneath the button. This is a good place to spell out what the mode actually does so anyone in your crew can pick the right one. The short description is what shows under the mode title on the scan page header, that italic line we showed in the first video. Keep this one compact. Scanner power level controls how far the RFID antenna reaches. A higher number reads from farther away but drains the battery faster and picks up more stray tags. Tap the value on the right to dial it in for your environment. Below the divider is the auto update section, the fields that get applied to every freight item scanned in this mode. Status is first. Leave it on, do not change, if you don't want the mode to touch the status, or pick a status like storage to land everything in one place. Destination has a few special options. You can pick home port to use the fleet member's home base, or a specific tender or yard name, or leave it on do not change to preserve what was there. Below destination, you've got freight type and assigned tender or yard. These work the same way. Leave them on do not change to preserve whatever was already there, or pick a value to overwrite it on every scan. Further down are a few toggles worth knowing. Active controls whether the mode appears in the picker. Turn it off to hide a mode without deleting it. Create freight if not found tells the mode to invent a freight record when you scan a tag that isn't in the system yet, which is what makes Quick Receive feel automatic. Enable recipient selection shows the persistent recipient chip on the scan page so you can assign every scan to a chosen vessel. For this walkthrough, we'll cancel instead of saving so we don't leave a stray mode behind. In your real workflow, you'd hit save and the new mode would land at the bottom of the list, ready to pick from the mode picker on the scan tab. That's the custom mode form. You can build as many modes as you need, one for each loading dock, each tender, each opener, and reorder them so the ones you use most are at the top of the picker. In the next video, we'll move from scanning over to browsing with a tour of the Freight tab and the powerful Filter Scans by Freight feature.